Welcome back to another session of Basic Bangla. We have today the last 10 letters of the Bengali alphabet. So we have two burgers today. This one is Murdhanya Sa burger and this one is Antastha A burger. Murdhanya Sa gives some sort of whistling sound that we get in SH in English, Shakespeare. Or we have shock, we have shall, we shall overcome. That Sha is there in Murdhanya Sa. In Bengali we have Sholo. Sholo means 16 and Barsha. Barsha is the rainy season. Danta Sa. Danta Sa is the simplest form of a Sa sound. In English also, we have seat, we have desk, and in Bengali, we have Sada. Sada means white. We have Sahos. Sahos means boldness. So Sada, Sahos, seat, and desk. The tongue touches the backside of your teeth. That's why this is called Danta Sa. Then the third letters of this burger is Ha. Ha is an aspirant sound. When the wind comes from inside your mouth, no obstruction is there. Ha, ha, ho, whatever. Hot, Kohl. Then Hath. Hath means this one, hand, Hath. Then Bahadur. Bahadur is a person who is a very able person in doing something, a very skillful person. And then come to this sound Da and Da. In our session number 5, we have discussed Da and Da sound. This is Da and this is Da. Now here you see there is a dot here and again here is a dot. So the same letter with dots here, and sound is slightly different, and that sound is quite difficult for European people to pronounce. This is Da. Dum dum digga digga, dum dum digga digga, Canada, Da. Okay, no problem here. But this one is Ra. Ra. R and D together. Kora. Boru. Kora means very strong. Boru. Boru means big enough. And ষড়যন্ত্র, conspiracy. So take care of the sound Ra. If you say Canada, then the sound comes. But Canada, then D. But Canada, this Bengali Ra sound. Doi bindu Ra. Doi bindu Da is even more difficult. Doi bindu Da. And there is no English word to pronounce the equivalent sound. So come to Bengali word Ashar. Ashar. Then Good. Sometimes we Bengali people also cannot pronounce them properly when we are in the flow of a speech. In that case, we pronounce these two, and since we know the language, since we know those words, we understand what we mean. And actually what happens in written text and in spoken language, there are some differences always and in all languages. So don't worry about these difficult sounds. Come to the next burger. That is the last burger of the Bengali alphabet. That is 8th burger, Antastha A. This is Ya sound. Actually not A, this is Ya sound. And you get this sound in the letter Y. For example, boy, boy. Then yes, yeah sound. In Bengali this is called Antastha Ya. And Jaiga means place. Jaiga. And Paya. Paya means actually leg of a chair. In that case, we use Paya. So there is that Antastha A sound in Paya. Now come to the next one, Ta. This Ta is called Khanda Ta. Khanda means broken. Broken because we do not pronounce the exact or full form of Ta. Ta is here. You will get it in the 5th session of Basic Bangla in the fourth Barga. This thaw is full thaw. And this thaw is half thaw. That is khondo thaw, broken thaw. Chit potang. This one is a very interesting example because here the meaning of the word and the sound come very close together. Chit potang means somebody falls on his back all of a sudden. That, confusing position and awkward position is known as chit potang. Then chikitsa. Chikitsa means treatment, medical treatment by a doctor. Then we have anusar. Anusar means small sound. Small because it is not a full-fledged sound. Bang. This is just shortened sound. Bang. Ngang. And then king. Then we have in Bengali bangsho. Bangsho means a family. And then rong. Rong means color. So this is anusar. Then visargo. Visargo is more of an interjection. You just have a jerking sound here. So I'm thinking, ah, oof, duk, duk. So this is visargo. And finally we have this moon sign, that is Chandra Bindu. Chandra Bindu is what we call moon, and it has a nasal sound, and in French words you will come across these nasal sound very frequently. Restaurant, wrong sound. And then manger. Manger means to eat. In English this becomes restaurant. And manger, there is no word like manger in English. But in French, to eat, that means manger. So on sound is there. Now you understand these 5 sounds, and remember these 4: Khandatta, Anusar, Visargo and Chandrabindu. These are not actually full-fledged consonants. They are treated as consonant. But you cannot begin a word with these letters. They always come after some consonant sound or often vowel sounds. And that is the specialty of these 4 letters. So today we have learned 10 letters. Murdhanya sha, danta sa, ha, dayabindu ra and dayabindu ra, antastha a, khanda ta, anusar, visargo and Chandra Bindu. So with this we have finished all the letters, but since it's a foreign language for many, we have to discuss so many aspects of these letters, how to join them, how to pronounce them. We'll do all these things, and side by side we have to give some more importance to conversational Bengali. That is our main purpose. Those who are foreigners, if you are trying to learn Bengali, if you have any problem, please contact us. Please let us know your problem. We can help you personally also. So avail yourself of the opportunity of learning the Bengali language.